welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. So I'm excited. We have a new subscription to my channel, and I say new because it has been more than 6 months since I've had this on here, so I consider that new. And that is GlossyBox. For those of you that do not know, GlossyBox is a $21 a month beauty subscription, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size, deluxe-size beauty products in here. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. They were running a special that if you signed up and prepaid for 3 months, you got a month free. So I ended up paying like $38, I think, for 3 months. So I was like, I'll give them another try. Because I was kind of like, I wasn't too sure with GlossyBox before, but some unboxings I'm seeing lately, I'm like, well, they do look like they're stepping up their game. So let's give them another go. All right, so we're going to dive in here and see what May is all about. So we have the classic pink glossy box. And when we open it, something smells good. I love the box. Something smells so good. I love this. The presentation is cute as can be. Ooh, they got me right there. Free coffee? Say what? From Amora Coffee? Alright, so if you guys are interested in some free coffee, it says a $14.95 value, you pay just $1 for packing and priority mail. You can go to www.specialpromo.amoracoffee.com and the code is COFFEEU, like coffee and the letter U. That's interesting. Alright, so let's untie our ribbon. It feels all fancy having to untie a ribbon. Alright, so here we have the little pamphlet that will tell us about the items in the box, so we will reference that in just a few moments. And then this is what we see. We have the tissue paper, so we're going to peel that back. Alright. What? Smells so good. Okay, so this is what I see when I open it. Something in here smells really good, and I'm not sure what it is, but it smells great. Okay, so let's get our little magazine, or not magazine, but it's more like a big old sheet. Alright, so it says, hey there, Glossies. With summer around the corner, now is the perfect time for a break from heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins and hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. They are packed with nourishing, healing, and revitalizing ingredients to kick your skin back into dewy perfection. Feel confident and enjoy your bare face beauty. Sounds good to me. So then when we unfold it, then we really can see everything. So I will set this over here. Do they give us pricing? I can't remember. They give us full-size pricing. Okay. All right. So the first thing I see right here on top is from Daily Concepts. And this is obviously organic, vegan, biodegradable. I have the hiccups all of a sudden. And this is a daily body scrubber. And let's see. Label fades for product replacement. It's got a string on it. We know it goes without saying, but your scrubber will be your new BFF in the shower or bath. Wet scrub, rinse and repeat. Partners well with usual soap or gel. Exfoliation experience. Replace your scrubber when the writing on the label fades. So we have these we have this. Oh, and it even has a little suction cup in there. Awesome. Um, Body scrubber from Daily Concepts. Yay. Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. This is full size and it is a $10 value. Perfect for buffing away dead skin scales with its texture. This scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Allergy and dermatologist tested. Daily Concepts even incorporated its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. All right. I'm happy with that. Score for item number 1. And then this is Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask. Huh. So there is that. Let's see what this says. Where are you at? Oh, right here. Okay. It's like, where's it at? Full size is 8 fluid ounces. And this is 2. So this is not full size, but full size would be $28. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask. With a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine, this mask will give your hair the extra moisture and volume it craves. I have heard of hair mask. I have heard of face mask. I have heard of hand mask. I've heard of feet mask. I've not heard of a scalp mask. So this really has me intrigued. I am excited to try this. All right. Then we have from Oriza. Oh, I never know if I'm saying this correctly. Oriza Beauty. This is a daily glow balm for skin, lips, and nails. Right there, and then and it says this is full size, and this is a $16 value. Cruelty-free, this all-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while it moisturizes and soothes for an all-over dewy effect, and it is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Well, let's see if it makes my hand look dewy. Does it have a safety seal? It does. Oh, it's almost like the consistency of like an ointment. Oh, but they don't like melts into your skin. Oh, well, they called it a balm. I guess I should have paid attention a little bit better. Well, it definitely made my hand look dewy, but it doesn't feel greasy either. Like, it feels very nice and soft. But a little bit goes a long way, just so you know. So now I can understand why that would be a full-size product, because a little bit goes a long way. But I mean, it did. Shiny and dewy and all that. Fabulous. All right. All right, so here we have our next two items are both from Pure Lease, which I love. That is a brand I really, really love. The first one is the Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Right here. The full size is 6 ounces and it is $24. Coffee and coconut oil. Who doesn't love that combo? That's exactly what I was thinking. As the coconut oil softens and moisturizes your skin, the coffee kicks into high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up at the start of the day. I wonder if this is what is smelling so good. Even, well, no, it's kind of, I don't know, I can kind of smell it. Even, it's got a safety seal. Because something smelled amazing when I opened that box. I'm very excited for that. I am. All right, and then the second product from Perlice is the Perlice Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Full size is 1.7 ounces, and it is $45. A lightweight, oil-free gel cream filled with vitamins A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated for oily, combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want the energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients, including aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. Now, I have heard amazing things about this, but I have not actually tried it myself. And it has a safety seal. But not anymore. Oh boy. That smells so good. I don't know. Okay, we'll put it on my arm because, and I'm just putting like, y'all see that little teeny tiny drop I just put right there? Okay, that like absorbed instantly. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm probably gonna have to buy the full size of that. I can already tell. Y'all, that is fantastic. And perfect for summertime. Summertime. All right, and then it looks like we have 2 more products. And I'm excited. All right, these are from Coco Star. Slice sheet mask. We have a watermelon and a cucumber. They obviously are full size, $10. Have, excuse me, have full control of how you apply your mask with Coco Star's Slice sheet mask. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the mask off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply your mask on your face, neck, under the eyes, or anywhere in between. So I am so excited. I have seen masks like this, but I actually have never had them. As much as I love sheet masks and stuff, I don't think I've ever had these type of masks. So this is the watermelon, and then you can see back here, it's like a little slices you just stick where you want. And then we have the cucumber, and again back here you can see the slices. So I am so excited to give those a try. So GlossyBox, yeah, big improvement. Big. I feel like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman, where she's like, huge mistake, or big mistake, big, huge, I have to go shopping now. Yes, big improvement from the months back in like the early fall that I had GlossyBox. So I am so happy that I signed up. This box alone was amazing. I can't wait to see what the next 2 months bring and make my decision if I want to continue. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get GlossyBox? What do you think of this month's box? I thought it was awesome myself. And I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.